Yes, student. Now today we are starting new chapter. It is states of matter. The chapter includes the intermolecular attraction forces. That is the first content. Then there will be the gaseous state. Okay, especially only the gaseous state. Two more states of matter are there: solid state and liquid state. The solid state and the liquid state are included in 12th class only. Okay, but in 11th class only gaseous state of matter is given there. Okay, the last one, the liquid state, is deleted from our syllabus in this session. So we are starting from intermolecular attraction forces. These forces are also known as van der Waals forces. Okay, on the basis of scientists. On the basis of scientists. Okay, student, actually the van der Waals attraction force or intermolecular attraction force, in these all type of forces we are not going to study about the electrostatic attraction force which works between negatively charged ion and positively charged ion. Okay, it is called electrovalent bond, called a true chemical attraction or true chemical bond. And one more type of attraction, this is covalent bond, that is takes place by sharing of electrons between two atoms. And one more, dative bond or coordinate bond. So these three type of bonds are called true chemical bond. Okay, the chemical bonding takes place between the participating atoms or molecules. But in the intermolecular attraction force, we will discuss only the physical attraction. There is no true chemical bonding, but only what physical attraction takes place between atoms or molecules. Are you getting? Therefore, it is called intermolecular. Student, you know that the molecules are already stable, so they are unable to form any bond. They can be attracted only by another atom or molecule. Now, if I am saying about atom, so which atom? We are not going to discuss the attraction force between the simple atoms, but we have to discuss the atoms of 18th group only, those having the complete octet or already stable configuration. So they are not going to form any of the bond, but they are only attracted. Okay, so now type of intermolecular attraction forces. This is first one is called London force. London forces, or also called dispersion force. Dispersion forces. Okay. It applied between non-polar atoms, non-polar atoms, like what? Inert gases, okay, or non-polar molecules, okay, like you can call H2 molecule, O2 molecule, N2 molecule. These are called non-polar molecule. That is what? There is no fraction positive or no fraction negative charge. That is, there is no dipole. Therefore, they are called non-polar molecule. That is what? That is, electron density is symmetrically distributed. Electron density is symmetrically distributed. So this type of molecule, okay, example, two molecules A and B, which are non-polar, okay, but when they come close to each other, when they come close to each other, okay, momentary or instantaneously. Instantaneously means only for few minutes or very short period of time. This is called instantly. Okay. Induced dipole is developed. Induced dipole is developed in one of the molecule. In one of the molecule. One of the molecule. Hence, when it come close to other molecule, also induce it, thus induced dipole moment develops in two molecules, and thus now they attract each other. Okay, we can explain it by this diagram. Say, suppose this is a molecule A. Okay, the positive charge is there and the negative charge is symmetrically distributed. Say, this is what? Negative charge. It is symmetrically distributed in molecule A. Similarly, in molecule B, again there is a positive charge and the negative charge is symmetrically also distributed B. So they cannot attract each other. The attraction will take place if there is positive charge and negative charge. That is, if positive charge comes close to negative charge. But being there is a negative charge around the positive charge, therefore what? They are completely non-polar. Okay, so we can say these two molecules are what? Non-polar. Okay, but when they come close, now one of the molecules get induced for just few seconds. That is very short period of time. That is called momentary development of charges. And due to momentary development of charge, the positive charge and negative charge, that is positive charge come to that end and the negative charge come to that end. This is called momentary dipole. This is called what? Momentary dipole. Or you can call it what? Induced dipole. Okay. And now due to effect of atom or molecule A, the B is also getting induced. So now the molecule B is also getting induced, where the plus charge come here and the negative charge accumulated in one of the end. And now the negative charge come close to positive charge. Okay. Now the force of attraction develop. This force of attraction is known as London or dispersion force. Students, remember, this is only for momentary. That is only for some moment. Therefore, this is known as, this is the weakest attraction force. This is the weakest attraction forces among all forces. Among all attraction forces. Okay. And example we can take takes place between H2 and H2 molecule, or between N2 and N2 molecule, or between H2 and N2 molecule also, or between what? All inert gases. Therefore, as the condition is removed, the attraction force becomes breakdown, and thus this is known as the weakest attraction force. Stop.